Hey guys, so we decided to get KFC because obviously I'm on that kick and need to break that kick and get back into using all this equipment and work out. But since we're going to go to KFC, my wife and I chose that we're going to ride separately. She's going to follow me in the vehicle while I ride the motorcycle, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So this is how it goes. Oh. The fears of this heavy piece of iron. I don't want to drop this baby.
And I get to drive my cruise.
Whew, that sure does get tiring.
Okay guys, I gotta go get in my cruise. I gotta follow this gorgeous man.
If you are in need of dental implants.
Okay guys, we're going to get him. Welcome to my cruise. Oh, I love this car so much. Okay. I know I'm not using my hands. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna go first.
Good?
Oh yeah, we're good. We're rolling.
You know what I want, right?
Yes, the 10 and the 10 strips and the fries. You got it.
There we go.
Well, my clip thing fell, so don't mind my wipers. You know what? Oh, there's going to be another video. Let me fix this. Okay, here we go. Why is this not holding right? Oh, there's something wrong with this. Sounds so good, don't she? Okay. Alright, this is what he does. It stops. Well, I need a new thing. Oh, okay. Well, I fixed my thing, so here we are again. Let me get up to speed. Thank you, baby, for this amazing car. He doesn't give himself the credit that he deserves for riding Betty again. Like, God did something amazing when He made him. And I'm so honored to live this life with Him. I'm so proud of what He's doing and who He is as a person. I just love Him, y'all. He didn't give me his wallet, so I'm going to just chase him around the parking lot for a minute. And we're on.
Ready?
Yep. This hill is horrible. I think we're going to be go.
That was our little trip to KFC. I'd like to get more videos up, especially for amputees that are wanting to get back into riding or want to ride. As I said, there's nothing, there's no modifications on this bike at all, other than the penmanship. Everything that I have to do on my own.
Yep.
I don't really have the money to buy all the fancy accessories, and I don't really care to have all the fancy accessories. You know, I rode with some pretty badass guys. There's a lot of fear that I do deal with when it comes to riding, but I got to remember the people that I used to ride with,
And who you
when I
are.
say- yeah, and when I say, you know, those guys are the best of the best, they are the best of the best. And unfortunately, I had the privilege to ride beside those guys to build my confidence and have a different skill level of riding. You know, separate us from the average rider out there. So that is a blessing. But I'm not saying that you can't do it. You ride at your own pace.
Yep.
Ride with a brother. You know, I'm not going to put his business out there, but he's a rider. And when I ride with him, we ride the way we were taught to ride, side by side. And it looks easy. You know, it's easy at 20, 30 miles an hour, but when you're cruising in the higher speeds, it gets a little scary. But it's good for me because it's balance. You know, he follows the yellow line as I follow the white line. And I do sometimes have to slow down and watch him the way he takes his curves because I'm relearning and having to teach myself how to ride a motorcycle with one leg, learning how to do everything with this leg, and this one can't compensate for much, which means when I put, you know, I used to be able to ride with my hands up in the air. When I do that, my bike goes to the right side. Don't really care about doing that stuff anymore. I'm just happy that I can ride. And the reason why I wear overalls, you probably see me in overalls all the time. Yeah, because I'm the gangster hillbilly. Y'all remember that? And I look good in these overalls.
Yeah, you do.
I'm all tatted up. No. I wear the overalls because these are very durable, and the material that they're made of, it really does help with my leg not coming down fast. Yes, I can lock the leg out extended. I got it set up now where I can do different stuff, but I'm not comfortable doing that because if it's locked out and I got to bring it down real quick, which, as I said, I don't really do anything with it when I'm riding, but I got so used to having to do everything by my hand, putting up, putting it down, and now that I had to relearn how to stand my bike up to be able to take off, when the leg is extended and you're on the peg, it's a lot different bringing it down to the ground. But anything is possible.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to load these up for the people that want to learn to ride, because when I did, all I saw, I did see a lot of below knees. A completely different ball game from above knee.
Yep.
You know, if you're not an amputee, you really won't know. But if you are an amputee, you'll know it's a huge difference between the two. But I'm going to start making videos doing this.
Good.
And that's because when I was searching for some sort of hope and wanted to see it from my own eyes, I didn't really see much. I did see amputees ride, but had training wheels under their bikes, and majority of them were on trikes. Your below knees, yeah, they're riding two wheels. Like I said, it's a completely different ball game. But I wanted to be able to put this out there so that there is hope. You know, so I'll upload this on YouTube, upload it. However, if you want to ask me questions, you can ask me questions. I'm not going to tell you that you can't. You know, I'm going to tell you that you can.
That's right.
There's a lot of shit that I thought I couldn't do that I am doing. What do you guys say, baby?
This is the bike that he lost his leg on, y'all. Like, he's come full circle. Right there is the dent, and you see the motor still mangled. This is
my
the
license plate and everything, yeah.
This is the bike that took his leg, and he's back on her, riding her like a champion, the champion that he is.
And I will say, other than for above knee, if you want to ride, you're going to need an electronic shift. If you're a lefty, you know, if you're left side, I can't really speak for the right side, but definitely get that Pingle electronic shift. It's
Worth it.
definitely worth it. Yeah, definitely worth it. They have jockey shifts, suicide shifts. I don't recommend that. I recommend keep your hands on the bars at all times.
Yeah.
You know, especially if you're in an awkward position, like I'm stuck on a hill or whatever. Keep your hands on the bars, you know. And I got full access to everything right here, up and down, up and down.
Yep.
Still use my clutch just like I can ride a regular motorcycle.
Yep.
If I want to use my shifter, I can. If someone else wanted to get on it and take a cruise.
Yep. But all things are possible.
Yeah, anything is possible.
Don't
Now,
let
be like
anyone
me
tell you
and
you
not be able to
can't.
see stuff and to see trikes and stuff like that.
And
say
get
to
mad.
myself, like, well, it looks like, you know, one, I'm not going to ride a trike. Sorry, I'm not going to ride a trike. Maybe when I get older, but right now, no. You know,
He's riding her
that's
like
a
he ain't
huge
missed a beat.
downgrade and huge insult in my face. You know, also accepting that I'm handicapped. I don't like to say that I'm handicapped. I try to do everything that normal people can do, but in the reality of it, I'm handicapped. So it sucks. So there's things like special accessories that they offer to give me
That he wouldn't take.
I won't take it. Nope, I
Yeah.
won't take it. Because the way I see it, I'm not handicapped. I can do more than, in my mind, I can do more than most people.
Well, in the reality, you can do more than most people
But
anyway.
It's not trying to be better than people. It's a competition with my own self. It's not with you. It's my own competition.
Yeah.
Proving to myself what kind of man that I am. And what kind of man I'm going to be for my wife. What she deserves.
Stand up, man. That's what you are.
But I hope these videos help you guys give you some sort of hope.
God bless y'all.